Hello friends, this is Amreen. Welcome to my channel The Happy Zone. In this video, I will share important health information with you. We all want to be healthy. For healthy life, we exercise, have a healthy diet. But do you all know that our cooking oil is also very important for our good health? So friends, in this video, I'm going to share some important information about cooking oil, how to choose correct cooking oil. Before buying any cooking oil, we should know some facts about these oils. The first important fact is how the oil is extracted. There are two methods, solvent method, cold press method. So let's see what is the first method, that is solvent method. In this type of method, seeds are exposed to high temperature and high pressure to extract the oil from the seeds. Because of the high temperature and high pressure, all the nutrients and vitamins are destroyed. Such oil do not have any flavor or smell. This oil is well known as refined oil. When we hear word refined, we are under impression that it is pure from all the impurities. But that's not true. Refined oil is just a dead oil that we are consuming which is loaded with chemicals and preservatives. With this method, 100% of oil is extracted from seeds, so this oil is available at cheaper rate. But this is highly dangerous for our health. This oil is consumed for a long time. We can get diseases like cholesterol, heart problems, and cancer. The next method is cold pressed. In this method, low temperature or low pressure is applied to seeds to extract oil. All the nutrients and vitamins are retained. No chemicals or preservatives are used. This oil has particular flavor and smell. For example, cold pressed groundnut oil will have nutty flavor and smell. The oil is well known as cold pressed or kachi ghani ka tel. With this method, only 50 to 60% of oil is extracted from the seeds. For this reason, it is expensive in the market, but it is highly advisable for your good health. The next factor is smoke point. Smoke point or burning point of the oil is the temperature at which oil starts burning and it loses all its good quality. Every oil's smoke point is different. For example, ghee, mustard oil, sesame oil, or peanut oil have high smoke point. So these oils can be used for frying, sauteing, etc. For Indian cooking, these oils are considered to be perfect. Some oils have low smoke point. This is the reason they start to burn. Scientifically, when oil smoke point is reached, their bonds start to break and they release some chemicals which are not good for our health. Olive oil, soy oil, safflower oil, flaxseed oil have low smoke point. We should avoid them for cooking. Olive oil, which is so hyped in Indian market, should not be used for cooking. It is best to be used for stir fry or salads or dressing. The other factor to select a particular oil for cooking is where you stay. The seeds that grow in our environment are easily digested by our body. Particularly in India, mustard seeds are locally available in north, so people from north should consume mustard oil. In center part of India, sesame seeds and groundnut seeds production is in high quantity, so people should include sesame and groundnut oil. In same way, coconut production is in abundance in south, so people should prefer coconut oil in that region. Now some important tips. We should keep changing our oil in every 3-4 months because then we can get nutrients and vitamins from all the different oil. We should never mix two different oil because every oil's smoke point is different. We should not reuse the oil after deep frying. And most important, do not use refined oil as it is very bad for our health. I hope this video was useful to you and you can now select a healthy oil. If you wish to buy cold press oils online, you can get the links in the description box below. Friends, if you like my video, do subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching my video. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy.